In this video recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a Mediterranean dip called hummus. Hummus is super simple to make. It's very delicious and it's very good for you. It's high in protein and it's also high in fiber. Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to the channel Cooking with the Tachnas. You know, the one thing that I really love most about hummus, besides everything I just said, is when you go to the grocery store and you buy the little 10 ounce of hummus, it's $5. And making it yourself is like a fraction of the price and it's so much better. So we're gonna get started. What I have here are 2 cans of drained garbanzo beans. I'm gonna throw them right into my Cuisinart. This is a pinch of cayenne pepper. This is 2 pinches of cumin. It's a half of a tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, depending on how much garlic you want. I'm going to start out with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. I have some extra olive oil on hand just in case it doesn't get to the consistency that I want. I'm just going to fire it up. And make sure it gets nice and smooth. I can already tell it needs a little bit more olive oil. I just put about 2 more tablespoons in. Okay. That is just about as easy as that. Let's get a spoon and try it out. It really has a nice, smooth consistency to it. That hits the spot. It has just the right amount of all the ingredients. If you want some more garlic in it, feel free to. It goes great with carrots, cucumbers, broccoli, peppers. You can even serve it with chips or pita, obviously. It is really delicious. It's great for parties or just sit around and snack on. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. And if you like dip recipes, Heather and I do have a few more on this channel, and you can check those out right here. Have a wonderful day.